good, YouTube? I'm back with another video today, and I'm about to fill the Benz up. Currently, this junk is dirty because it's been sitting up under a tree. Yeah, so currently right now we about to head to the gas station. I might get back to y'all when we get to the gas station. If not, I'm gonna cut back to y'all with the GoPro, and we gonna be getting the POV. All right, YouTube, I'm back. If you see me looking down at my phone, I'm just checking, making sure everything's straight, and y'all can see the full steering wheel. I know my other couple videos, the roof and I don't know, it's just been messed up, but it's been majority of my fault because not looking at it or whatnot. But we about to go hit these back roads. I'm about to throw this joint in Sport Plus to be exact. Y'all just heard that downshift. Well, might have been the RPMs, but I don't know, it was something. Car sound good today. A lot of traffic up here. Yeah, that last video in the snow, y'all was fucking with that jump. I appreciate that. We ain't hit 1,000, but we damn near got there. It was like 950, 960. Let me put the GPS in so I can make sure ain't no police back here. The car alarm going off. Hey, sometimes I think this car got a tune on it, like already. Like something that ain't stock, but it say it's supposed to be stock. I ain't want to hit that car right there. Or that van. It ain't even a car for real. All in the way and shit. Big body ass. I'm in manual mode too, if y'all wondering. Shit, the transmission don't even shift that good by itself. It work a little better in manual, if you ask me. Well, the transmission good, but it's not that good. I like the Hellcat better. The Hellcat transmission is a little bit better. I think this one got 9 gears. The Cat got 8 gears. I had a car with 10 gears before. I ain't like that shit. That was the Honda Accord 2.0. My first turbocharged car, which is the reason I got this turbocharged car. I ain't gonna lie, like that little Honda I had, I might throw a picture up on the screen. If I don't, I don't. But it was a little black 2.0 jump. It's a couple different Hondas. They got the hybrid, the 1.5 liter, and the 2.0. The 2.0 is what I had, and that would be the same motor that was found inside the what was it? It was found inside the Type R. So, not found inside, but they basically used that same motor for the Type R. But the Type R had more horsepower. The 2.0 Accord was a little bit detuned. I think it had like 250 or 270. Either way, that car didn't really fit my vibe, but I needed 2 cars, something to, you know, drive around when I'm not driving the Hellcat. And ended up getting that. It was cheap. It was like 25,000, 20K. I financed it, put a little money down. The payment was cheap. It wasn't a cheap payment, but it was like a $400-500 payment. I got about that car after like a year and got this one. Now that's why I got this car and the Hellcat. Before the Cat, I had a Scat Pack. For the ones that's wondering. I know I'm doing a lot of talking though. what y'all want. That'll probably be these downshifts. Window down. Y'all can hear the turbos on this joint a little bit. I'm thinking about getting like a blow-off valve. I think I need 2 of them because this is a twin turbo. I think if it's 1 turbo, you just need 1 blow-off valve. If it's 2, you need 2 of them. But I might just need 1, but I'm pretty sure it's 2. Y'all let me know down in the comments. But either way, I'm thinking about getting one of those because that shit just sound good. It remind you of the Hellcat with the supercharged one, except it's not a supercharge. It's turbos and they more so like whistle. If y'all ever wonder why people cars sound like that, it's the blow-off valve. I done seen people with them jounts on C300s and regular 330s and eyes and shit like that. This car really hit them corners good. I know his white ass gonna call the police on me. I come through speeding. And he had the stroller. I ain't even see if it was a baby in that joint. All I seen was stroller and slow down. We about to go back around, hit the back roads again. That was probably only a couple minutes. I know y'all want to see more than that. I try to get y'all more than that. I wish y'all would give me some subscribers, but I guess y'all try to do what y'all can do too. These like all the houses that's behind those back roads right there, which is, you know who living in these. You know who's living in these. One day it'll be me, but it ain't me. Wish I was living in one of these jump shit. Any one of these motherfuckers. Roll on through that stop sign. Might possibly stop at this next one. Oh nah, mail truck. Stopping shit. See how she handled from a dig. She was spinning. Y'all seen that? That junk was spinning. That's actually my first time spinning in this car. I should have turned the traction off. It probably would have broke it a little bit more. It gave us a little bit more power and shit, you know what I'm saying? Y'all hear that shit? This is stock, remember that. If y'all get a C43, it's gonna be because of me, because you was watching this junk. You gonna be hearing that shit. You be like, damn, my junk could. Nah, let me take that back. Performance exhaust button. Get the performance exhaust button. I got a buddy that got a E43 or E53. It got the same motor. He do not got the button. His car do not sound like this. Trying to tell you some good shit. I don't know if we got any gun owners just watching, but 9 times out of 10 we do, because if y'all got that fast shit or y'all into it, y'all into them guns too. I'm a legalized gun owner, I'm gonna say that first, but I do got that G43 and the C43. And if you don't get it, means Glock 43 is what I'm carrying when I'm driving the C43. It just makes sense. It make hell of a sense, man. I don't know if we gonna turn around up here. There's really no way to turn around. I'm trying to think. Wait, can we turn around right here? God damn, that shit. Nigga don't even want to turn around. Just keep going, man. And they be mad at us for driving reckless and shit. Hey, I'm just solo dolo having a blast in this little motherfucker. This car not faster than my Hellcat, but it's fun. To a certain extent, it's more fun than the Hellcat, because the Hellcat back here, man, you'll be hitting it. That should be going sideways in the back. This junk don't really do none of that. That's what I like about it. That's kind of why I bought it too. If y'all was listening to that Honda Accord I told y'all I had, that junk was front wheel drive. I got stuck in the snow real bad one time. Not bad, but I got stuck in the snow and I was y'all fucked up. Had to get some help. That front wheel was some shit. Shit, for all that, I should have drove the Scat Pack I had at the time. Put in a new address. Make sure we straight. I appreciate it if you made it this far in the video. Give you one last pull and a downshift. We might, matter of fact, no, we're gonna wait. We're gonna hit this corner up here. And I'm gonna probably close this video out. Car handle real good back here too, if y'all wondering. Real nimble type roads, but I don't feel like I'm about to fall off of them. Y'all know what a canyon is, or like y'all ever heard of a canyon run? This is the type of car you take to that. But y'all, that's gonna be it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment,